Landed in Da Nang. Tignan mo labo, ang amazing kasi yung naka-ready na agad yung trolley, no? Hindi ka na kukuha pa ng trolley mo. Naka-ready na for you.
Yeah.
You happy? So this is the Old Town?
The Old Town, opposite the hotel.
Okay.
Yes. We are here, and your room will be here. Tomorrow you go to the ground floor. You come to the yellow building. Our restaurant on the second floor is the Pito Julian restaurant.
Wow.
It's
Okay.
open. So, and from the hotel you just cross the bridge, then turn left. You're walking along the river. It's just around 5 to 10 minutes for walking.
Okay.
Beside that, we have the bicycle
Yeah.
for free, and it's the first come first serve service.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Tea. Okay. Complimentary. Glass here. Cup here. All right. And this one, and inside the fridge mini bar, we have a menu. Room service menu, spa menu,
Okay.
and some information about the hotel. Any question? Just dial number euro.
This is our hotel. We're staying in Hoi An in Moire Vignette Collection. So this is the CR. And then here is the bedroom. So may paganyang setup sila. And then may lounge here or sofa. Merong welcome amenity. And then we have the view of river, and then across there is the Old Town na. So very maganda yung location kasi talagang nasa dulo lang siya ng bridge, and then you will cross the bridge lang and then nandyan ka na sa Old Town. So tomorrow makikita natin or namin yung mga boats dito with the lantern, releasing of lantern. And then here is, I think here's the pool. Tomorrow we'll check kasi gabi na eh, so hindi natin masyadong makita yung view there. Again, we are staying in Moire Hoi An Vignette Collection. High ceiling pala siya, so nakakatuwa. Yan siya, yung room. Yeah. Happy honeymoon. But we can't leave this guy. We'll have our in-room dining. And then, gusto ko sana Vietnamese food. Kaso, late night menu nila, yung etong usual, parang American food. So, yeah, we'll watch Squid Game. Ito yung TV. Then, come on. Let's eat. Game tayo. Para matapos ko na.
Panoorin mo itong Infinito. Ilay, di ba pala control?
Thank you, Lord, for allowing us to arrive safely here.
Ulitin ko.
Wala ba yung yun? Gusto ko Squid Game.
Ikaw alam mo kung matutuwa sa Squid Game.
So, this is Kulao Shrimp Pasta. I think yung Kulao is dito talaga siya sa Vietnam. Kasi nakalagay sa menu kanina na Vietnamese food siya. So, hindi ko alam kung lugar ba siya or food nila yun. Pero instead of the usual pasta like aglio olio, pesto, or ganyan, tinry ko na to. Kasi hindi siya usual for me. Yeah.
I want the egg in the burger.
Go. Dig in.
Tingnan natin. Nihilist. 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 Nihilist.
Love Squid Game, please.
Later.
Later, ay matutulog na tayo.
I can't relate this Squid Game.
Ba't mo lang daw?
Yeah.
Netflix.
Oo. Pero 2019 pa. 2021 pa yun. Oh gosh. This is blue.
Yeah. Walang ban sa baba?
Meron. It's messy.
Walang ban sa baba! Oh!
Daddy.
Yes, you play. Yes. No, you type. You type. You can do it. Steady.
Lasa siyang marinara talaga. Pero parang ano siya, marinara in the sense of may mga seafood. Pero may gano'n naman talaga, seafood marinara.
May sila mo kayo ng burger na to?
Tapos may sun-dried tomatoes siya. Sarap. Yum. Good morning. So this is our hotel rooms view. So again, this is the pool, and then ito na yung river. And then andyan na yung boats kung saan nag-lantern release. But here sa hotel, they have their own boat. So sabi ng receptionist, yung boat nila can't go here, only inside. And then yung boat dito is dito lang. Outside yung tawag nila dito, and then doon inside. Hindi naman pwede makapasok doon sa loob yung normal na boat. Yan siya. So we are just like literally right in front of the old town. So later kapag pumunta kami dyan, we will just cross the bridge around doon sa area na yun. And then yeah, super lapit, super convenient ng location ng hotel. So today, we will go to the old town. Since free naman yung yung bike dito, we'll use bike kasi tatawid lang talaga. Oh, they have another store. Ito oh.
Okay, let's go.
So here are the bikes na free naman if you want to roam around. So yeah, we will ride. Wait lang, abot ko kaya. Good thing merong pang bata. Yan, kasi kasama namin sila. Our lunch here in Comlin. So, sikat to na restaurant for Ban Siao. And then, ayun, we will have our lunch lang here. And then, sobrang init dito sa Danang ngayon. Kasi, it's summer pala. Summer season na lang ngayon. And then, pero kapag sa weather forecast, may mga chance of rain. Pero sabi ng front desk, parang katulad din sa atin sa weather natin ngayon, umuulan lang sa hapon pero saglit lang naman. Pero super init. Super init. Yun lang pala, dito sa mga restaurant, wala silang house water or free water. So, you really have to buy mga bottled water, no? Yung kanina sa Moments Hoi An, 55, so around, kano ba yun? 50 pesos. Ganito kaliit.
Ito.
I don't know.
Mahal mo mura lang.
So, this alone yung in-order namin. Yeah. Thank you! Ban Siao, fried rice, and then shrimp. It's around 360 dong. Ano siya? Around 780 pesos. So, mura na din siya, no? Kasi sa Pilipinas, ganitong order, tatlo. 1,000 plus na siya eh. Yeah. This is the hotel na pinagsestayan namin dito sa Hoi An. Ang ganda nung facade. This is the bar, and then the pool, and then yung breakfast area nila sa second floor. You'll have this view, and then parang coffee cafe is Yellow Bicycle dito sa baba. And then pwede kayong mag-jogging here. Ganda. Dito sa harap, ito yung mga suite rooms nila. And then kami, nandun kami sa may area na yun. Ito pa rin yung view, river pa din. And then, yeah, super nice hotel. This is the hotel's pool area. Katapat pa rin siya ng river kasi yan talaga yung selling point nila. So they have yung kiddie pool, adult pool, and then yung parang jacuzzi. Ayan. We are now in Old Town. Galing kami kanina dito. Kaninang morning. And then ngayon nighttime. Mag-releasing of lantern kami. So pupunta kami doon sa may river na area for the boat. Para sumakay ng boat. And then napansin ko itong Old Town kapag gabi. Para siyang Calle Crisologo sa sa Ilocos. Sa Vigan. Ganun siya. Ganun yung vibe niya. With more stores, more people.
Look, okay, we'll get Mama and Papa.
Birthday.
No, that's not a birthday.
It's a birthday. Look. Yeah, look.
Flower.
Yes! Yay! Yay!
Again. We are currently riding dito sa may boat lantern. And then ang ganda ng Hoi An or ng Old Town paggabi. So siya, vibrant. Kaso umuulan lang. Pero parang ang dami talagang lanterns. Ang dami talagang lanterns. Done na sa boat ride, and then bumili kami ng grilled rice paper, pero yung nasa loob niya is chicken, spring onion, and then quail eggs. So yummy.
Yummy.
And then si Fritz, bumibili siya ng banana pancake. Parang roti.
Pero Nutella lang.
Yeah, this is 40 Vietnamese, and then yun is 50. So merong hindi pare-pareho yung presyo nila dito. May mahal, may mura.
What do you want, baby?
Ilang beses na rin tayo humihindi, di na
We are having breakfast now, and then ito yung view ng breakfast area. Again, the river and then the Old Town. So nakakatawa yung breakfast nila kasi may passion fruit, and then may charcuterie board. And then ito, binigyan nila ako ng salted cream na coffee. There. So this is their breakfast selection. Sobrang daming vegetable. Nakakatuwa. And then this one, I think, is beetroot salad. Then, since maraming Koreans na dito sa Da Nang or sa Hoi An, marami din silang, may option din sila ng Korean food. Ito, japchae. This is my breakfast plate. So, ito yung Vietnamese spring roll, potato salad, ano ito, fried, parang wonton, and then kimchi, fruits, and then yung pho. Yung pho nila, grabe, yung sarap, flavorful. Sobra akong nag-crave dito kasi hindi pa nga kami nakakapag-pho. Since nung arrival namin. So, ito did not disappoint. Grabe. Sarap. Nakalimutan kong ipakita to. Si Fritz yung naka-discover. So, parang ano talaga siya na for honeymoon na bed na room. Kasi yan. So, makikita mo dito yung bedroom. I mean yung CR. Then, ito na yung bedroom. Pero ano to, sa likod, mirror. There. And then, may bathtub.